Hey everyone, welcome back to Can CAD channel, where we make AutoCAD simple and fun. In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on two essential commands, join and explode, and how you can easily access them using a home bar. First, let's quickly talk about these commands too. The join command lets you merge multiple lines or curves into one single object, which is really handy when you want to tidy up your drawings or work with polylines. On the other hand, the explode command does the opposite. It breaks down complex objects like polylines or blocks into individual components so you can edit parts separately. To demonstrate, we got two rectangle, one where line are already joined, another separately. Let's start with a rectangle that has separate lines. To join this, go to Home tab, find the Modify panel, and choose Join tool. Now we select all four lines and click Join. As you can see, they are now one object. This is super useful when you want to clean up individual lines, segments, and convert them into polyline. Next up, the explode command. It's also located in the Modify panel under the Home tab. Select Object, click Explode. Now the rectangle is split into individual lines. Allows you to edit them one separately. Let's see both commands in action with quick example. First, I'll use the explode to break down into individual lines. If I want to join some of the lines again, I can simply use the join command. And they'll merge back into a single object. Explode and join. It's that easy. That's how you can use the join explode commands from the home bar to simply use your drawing workflow. Make sure to practice this command and soon you'll be flying through your design. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more beginners-friendly AutoCAD tips. See you next time.